पीछे एफटीपी के अंदर है, फिर तो कनेक्टिविटी बन जाएगी डायरेक्ट, है ना?
चेंजिंग नहीं है ना उसमें?
हाँ, चेंजिंग नहीं है ना उसमें कोई, तो डीएचसीपी पे डेली चेंज होता है। समझ रहे हैं ना मेरी बात को, क्या मैं बोल रहा हूँ?
समझ गया,
है ना? तो वो सोल्यूशन ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं, उसको उसका सोल्यूशन अब कैसे करूं, यही सोच रहा हूँ। अगर मैश में वो
हाय संजय
सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग संजय, एक ना मैसेज भेजा है मैंने आज सुबह ही बनाया। हेलो,
हाँ जी फ्रेजर वैली वाला सर। आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है सर।
हेलो
हेलो हेलो।
ठीक है मेरी आवाज? संजय आवाज आ रही है अब?
यस सर।
आवाज आ रही है अब?
हाँ जी
हाँ
हाँ जी।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, मैंने एक मैसेज व्हाट्सएप पे आपको भेजा है। And without taking much of the time, let's start with this conversation between Mr. Gursimran Singh Oberoi and Ms. Ritika Singh. So I, Hitesh Kumar Gulati, co-chair of Industry Outreach and Sponsorship, TIE Chandigarh, formally welcome our keynote speaker, Ms. Ritika Singh, dialogue moderator, Mr. Gursimran Singh Oberoi, Ms. Sumit Kaur, student from various centers of Institute of Professional Banking, and respected faculty members of Institute of Professional Banking. We are thankful to Institute of Professional Banking in collaborating with TIE Chandigarh for organizing this virtual session on entrepreneurship is all about having a sustained agenda. So without taking much of your time, may I now request my colleague, Mr. Sanjay Mittu, to please give an introduction of TIE Chandigarh and TICON Chandigarh 2021. Over to you, Sanjay.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Gursimran sir. Good morning, Ritika ma'am. So now I would like to tell everyone about TIE Chandigarh. So the question is, what is TIE? So TIE is basically the Indus Entrepreneurs, which is a non-profit organization which was founded in 1992 by some serial entrepreneurs and the group of entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurship in the region. So globally, we have around 12,000 plus members, 3,000 plus charter members, 61 chapters are there in the country, 21 countries, right? So the pillars of TIE, they are basically networking, mentoring, education, investing, and incubation. So networking as in we provide networking platforms for the entrepreneurs. As in they can network with each other, they can share their businesses, and they can grow together. Mentoring, we provide mentoring to the entrepreneurs. You can say the entrepreneurs who are starting as a startups and the one who are in the industry from past 7 to 8 years. We are providing education to the students as this session is to the students. So this type of sessions we are giving to the different organizations such as PTU and you can say different institutes and colleges. Investing, we help the startups to get the investing from the funding partners, and we help the startups, emerging startups in the incubation as well. So TIE Chandigarh, this chapter was basically founded in 2003 and it is one of the top 5 chapters in the India with around 280 plus region entrepreneurs as members and around having a huge fan following on Facebook. So we conduct an almost 50 plus events and engagements per year. You can say mentoring, you can say TIE Chandigarh is basically covered throughout the area of Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Himachal, Punjab, and Tri-City. So I'm happy to announce in March, from 18th to 20th March, the TICON, the biggest entrepreneur flagship event is coming out. So last year in the TICON 2020, we witnessed around 1800 plus attendees across the region with 50 plus speakers as the who graced the occasion, and we strive to create enabling entrepreneurial environment for startups by bringing together the good events and the good entrepreneurs. So these are the key speakers for TiECon 2021 and many more to come. And some of the, you can say, the sponsorship partners from the past TiECon 2020. So happy to know this, that we are giving free registrations for this TiECon for first 500 students and first 2000 participants. So I request all the participants to go to taichandigarh.com, that is taiconcsd.com, and register themselves so that you can attend the flagship event. So as the students in here in the session are from banking sector, so we will be having a panel on like a track you can see on the finance sector. So you can come and you can join the session of the finance so that you can get more and more knowledge about your sector. So this is some, you can say, contact information for like my contact and our relationship manager contact. So for any query, you can contact us.
Thank you so much, Sanjay. And Sanjay, I request you to please post the message in the chat box in case after the event or during the question answers, if anybody wants to register for TiECon, I think that particular link would help them to register for the mega event, right? So if you can just paste it in the chat box, that would be great. And again, to repeat what Sanjay has shared, it is free only for first 500 students and first 2000 attendees. So don't miss the opportunity. I think Gursimran ji and Ritika ji can share the way registrations are going on for this particular mega event. Since it is free, most of the people are planning to attend this, and it is also virtual. So most of the people, they would love to attend this particular mega event of North India. So let's start with the program now, and may I now request Ms. Sumit Kaur, Senior Manager, Sales and Marketing and HR of Institute of Professional Banking, to please introduce our dialogue moderator, Mr. Gursimran Singh Oberoi, and our keynote speaker of the day, Ms. Ritika Singh. Ms. Sumit Kaur, please.
A very good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Ritesh Kumar Gulati ji, and a very warm welcome, Ms. Ritika Singh and Mr. Gursimran Singh. And yes, it's always great to be part of this group, the TIE group, and it is so much giving in the nature that the more I give from myself is just a pleasurable act from myself. So I'll just introduce our dialogue moderator first, Mr. Gursimran Singh Oberoi. He's founder and managing director of Institute of Professional Banking, chairman for Oberoi Educational Trust, and president for Guru Gobind Singh Study Circle, Haryana State. He has a versatile experience of 20 years in entrepreneurship, education, engineering, electronics, and packaging sector. Mr. Oberoi is an engineer by background and started his career with Microtech Engineering as a die and mold designer. Then various other engineering companies, including Gilar Electronics and with Windsor Packaging, at different technical positions. His last assignment was with Intercraft Engineering at Baddi, where he was working as works manager before stepping into education sector in 2007. He started his computerized accounting institute, that is ICFA, Institute of Computerized Accounting, as he always wanted to contribute towards society and had a dream to do something into education sector so that he may empower the youth and eradicate unemployment. He started his banking institute in 2014 with the name of Institute of Professional Banking, as he could clearly visualize the increasing demand in banking and BFSI sector in coming years. Institute of Professional Banking has now been expanded to 10 other cities across 7 North Indian states and has been successful in making career of more than 2,100 students into private sector banks. In education, Mr. Oberoi also owns preschool named The Time Kids in Zirakpur that works on early years foundation stage of the children. He is also actively involved in various social and entrepreneur groups, such as with CMA, that's Chandigarh Management Association, CII Chandigarh, TIE Chandigarh, and he's also president of Guru Gobind Singh Study Circle, Haryana. We welcome you, sir, and it's great that you are here as a dialogue moderator. To our keynote speaker, Ms. Ritika Singh. Ms. Ritika Singh is not somebody who deserves a lot of words, but yes, few words are not enough for her. I have to actually go a long way to describe her personality. Knowing her personally, she is a content writer, blogger, editor, ghostwriter, digital marketing specialist, brand strategist, and an entrepreneur evangelist. She is founder and CEO of Content Factory that helps to brand create, nurture, and strengthen their brand equity through content outreach, PR, and engagement through mainline and online media, social media, and all online forums. She has been associated with various organizations of repute in different capacities, like she's champion at Shiroz, that is the largest social networking application and personal app for women. She's chapter lead for Thai Women in Chandigarh, helping women and entrepreneurs feel more empowered, and is been assisting them to scale to another level. She is board member of Prasan Chetas Foundation, that is an NGO that fights against child sexual abuse. She is steering committee member of the Thai Young Entrepreneur for the year 2019-20. She is co-team member of TEDx Chandigarh. Above all, she's a wonderful human being with some infectious positive energy and of course, a much inspiring smile. I heartily welcome you, ma'am. And now I would request Mr. Gursimran Singh to take on the dialogue with Ms. Ritika Singh so that all the attendees here are able to take much from her. Thank you so much. Over to you, Gursimran sir.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, Hiteshji and Chai Chandigarh for giving this opportunity to interact with Madam Ritika. I met her around, I think, 2 years back at Thai Chandigarh only. So I met her 2-3 times again when my daughter was going through a program with the Thai, that's Thai Young Entrepreneurs Program that was conducted in different schools of the city. So it's pleasure to see you, madam, again after maybe 12 or 15 months. So my question goes to you that how was your journey of this entrepreneurship? How did it started and how is it going for last 8-10 years?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Thai. Thank you, IPB. Thank you, Hitesh Sheena, and Gursimran ji for all the lovely introductions. I'm very happy. And वो आप कह रहे हो charge में तो वैसे ही charge हो गए. So answer to that question मुझे जोर से हंसी आ रही थी इसलिए क्योंकि तब भी धक्का start था, अभी भी धक्के लग रहे हैं, मतलब चल ही जा रहे हैं किस तरह से. And I think that is what entrepreneurship की गड्डी is all about. I don't know anybody जो full speed पे चल रहा होता है, and there are always speed breakers somewhere. There are always people trying to tell you यहाँ मत जाओ, वहाँ मत जाओ, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. So गड्डी मतलब धक्का start ही है तो चली जा रही है. I hope all the children here understand Punjabi, but if they don't, I'll switch over. I will keep on, shifting between Hindi, English, Punjabi. So whichever is your preferred language, please that's then I'll try and, speak more of that. So I started my career about 8 to 9 years back based out of Chandigarh. I was a Bombay girl and bade aaram se zindagi kat rahi thi till things went downhill from there. Had to move back to Chandigarh, and Chandigarh is one city has to say कि यार बहुत ही माड़ी जगह है, इतने लोग है कर देने वो कर देने ऐ नहीं होता वो नहीं आता. And Bombay is a completely different culture. And so setting up a home here with 2 children, being a single parent, single mom was quite a challenge. And I joined a PR agency for some time trying to work. I was mostly a housewife. As to pehla I'd worked for 1 or 2 years. Experience doesn't even count. And mostly because of financial difficulties, I decided to shift to, working. So PR agency, I worked for some time. Unfortunately, they didn't do very well. Nice people whom I was dealing with helped me out, taught a lot. Uske baad, I remember randomly looking around for work and And there was some gentleman here who was opening an accelerator, and he called me. Unfortunately, mahine de baad, when I went to him and I said, "Sir, ab to I'm ready," and he decided to pay me. I think pehle मेरे को 20,000 रुपए वो PR agency दे रही थी, and these guys decided to give me 40,000. So I was over the moon. मतलब सारी financial planning भी होगी कि बच्चों के कैसे होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. It was very, very ecstatic at that point of time. And unfortunately, things didn't work out. And rote pitte, I was, calling up one of the other co-founders कि सर वो तो मिल ही नहीं रहे मुझे, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, मेरी तो पिछली नौकरी भी चली गई है. So major hangama, drama, rona dhona was typical me. Okay. And this gentleman, he said कि कोई नहीं रितिका, अभी तो मेरे भी मतलब situation खराब है, even I don't know what to do, so we'll figure out something for you. I said, "ठीक है." I didn't know what to do. Again, I started looking for a job, and it is much later that this gentleman gave me a call after 10 days, and he said कि देखो मैं blog खोल रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को लिखना नहीं आता, तुम लिख सकते हो, कुछ content writing सुना है कभी? मैं कहा नहीं सर, सुना नहीं कभी. कहते कोशिश करके देखो, आ जाएगा, and see if you can get something out of it. मैं कहा ठीक है. Then he said कि रितिका पैसे नहीं दे सकता. मैंने कहा सर, और जोर से रोना निकला, भैं करके. Again I burst out crying. ऐसे सर वही तो चाहिए हमको. So he says, I mean, we'll figure out a way. I'm very well entrenched in the ecosystem, so I'll keep on giving you projects. You work for me for free. I said, "ठीक है, मरता क्या ना करता." I didn't have any options, so decided to start working. And touch wood, the journey has been very amazing since then. It was 2013 that I actually formally, started doing content. He introduced me to a lot of people, to a lot of concepts, to telling me what content writing is all about. And by Guruji's grace, today we are a team of 15 girls, all work from home from day one. We do content, we do digital marketing, we do websites, we do everything now. So अगर कोई मेरे से पूछता है कि मैम आपकी डिग्री क्या है और what is your background, so I always say Google is my degree and Google is my university. सब कुछ जो भी मैंने सीखा है, it is all thanks to the internet. So now one of the things I'd like to tell all of you is that the world is at your feet, with the internet and Google and everything. So किसी चीज के लिए अपने आप को रोकना मत. I mean, there is always something that you can do, And for me, I mean, I am standing in front of you, sitting rather in front of you, speaking here. And the journey has been amazing. Again, dhakke dukke lagte rehande viche. We keep going up, we keep going down. There are bad days, there are good days, there are very bad days. But we've been more or less lucky so far to get through this. And the good part is why I think we broke the glass ceiling at some point of time was when day one we decided to have a work from home business model, which meant that we never went out for meetings. None of my teammates went out for any kind of a physical meeting of any kind. And nuksan bhi hoya, fayda bhi hoya hoda that, there were a lot of people who did not want to work with us because कहने शक्ल आके दिखाओ, ऐसी क्या ऐसी से शक्ल दिखानी नहीं. Travel हम करते नहीं थे because पैसे नहीं थे हमारे पास. Even going to Delhi in a Shatabdi train or something, I didn't have the money. So it kind of made sense. ना वो कैब में जा सकते थे, ना वो मतलब हर चीज पे वो 100 रुपए का पेट्रोल, 200 रुपए का कैब का खर्चा always was a खर्चा for us. So मजबूरी में we started doing a work from home thing, and it just kind of went, from one situation to another situation. फिर हमने कहा कि अब हमको शक्ल देख के काम चाहिए ही नहीं, अब हम अकल देख के काम लेंगे. So आज की डेट तक हमारी वेबसाइट के ऊपर कोई टीममेट की फोटो नहीं है, मेरी भी फोटो नहीं है, किसी का नाम नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. We always say that अपने दम पे काम लेंगे अगर लेंगे तो. So for I think the first 5 years that I started working, I was just a voice on the phone for a lot of people. Somebody just said, "Ritika from Chandigarh, कोई लड़की है, कुछ content में काम करती है," that kind of thing. Nobody knew my face. Nobody had any idea where I was from, what I did. किसी को मेरा background नहीं पता था. Just another girl in the ecosystem who's trying to do something. So that essentially in a nutshell was my journey. This is what I did, and I was lucky. I found a mentor, worked very hard, and here I am today in front of all of you.
Great, madam, great. So you rightly said entrepreneurship is all about dhakka mukki or rona dhona. Bilkul theek hai. And what is your greatest disappointment and how did you overcome it?
Greatest disappointment, Gursimran ji, was I think when we initially started off, I had no clue how to run a business. मैं आज तक अपने friends को या people who ask me उनको बोलती हूँ, मैंने कहा मेरे को कोई business strategy नहीं आती है. My only logic on which my entire business was based was इतने का हम काम कर रहे हैं, इतना मैंने टीममेट को पैसे देने हैं, तो इन दोनों के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है इज द मनी दैट आई एम गोइंग टू मेक. सो टिल डेट माय लॉजिक एवरीथिंग जस्ट फंक्शंस ऑन दैट. अब थोड़े से हम बड़े हो गए हैं, थोड़े से समझदार हो गए हैं, तो अक्ल आती है कि नहीं यार ये ब्रांडिंग के लिए है, ये इसके लिए है, तो इसमें थोड़े पैसे जा भी रहे हैं, डजंट मैटर. यहाँ पे क्लाइंट के साथ रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करना है, सब कुछ. सो आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आई फेस्ड वाज व्हेन पीपल यूज्ड टू इंसिस्ट ऑन मीटिंग. और अब जब ये कोरोना हो गया तो हम सारी टीम हमारी हंसती है कि अब कौन मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, अब सारा काम आप लोग वेब पे ही कर रहे हो ना, अब सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस वेब पे ही दे रहे हो, कहाँ गई आप लोगों की मीटिंग. सो एनीवेज, I think that at that point of time was my biggest disappointment because startup थे हम लोग, काम बहुत चाहिए था. There were some amazing clients that we lost out on because we couldn't travel, we couldn't work. वो कर ही नहीं सकते थे हम उनके साथ काम. And I remember एक client थे हमारे, he was based out of Dubai. So उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि रितिका आप अपनी पासपोर्ट की डिटेल्स दे दीजिए तो आप आ जाइए हमसे मिलने. मैंने कहा सर मैं यहाँ से आज तक राजीव गांधी IT पार्क नहीं गई, आप दुबई बुला रहे हैं हमको मीटिंग के लिए. कहते हाँ मिलेंगे तो फिर उसके बाद डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे काम करना है, क्या काम करना है. So those were conversations that, you know, kind of hit us home very, very hard. But at the same time, I worked with him for 4 years. I told him, sir, Skype call कर लेते हैं. Please let us, you know, at least introduce. And आपको अगर शक्ल देखनी है तो देख लीजिए Skype पे. So this is how we started. And I think one of the other things that I remember was that घर पे privacy नहीं मिलती थी काम करने की. We were 3-4 people in one room. So कभी एक बच्चा आ रहा है कुछ अपना शौक लटकाता हुआ कि मम्मी ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, वहां से क्लाइंट के साथ आपकी कॉल चल रही है. कभी मम्मी आ रहे हैं दरवाजा खोलने के लिए, कभी राशन वाला आ रहा है, कभी गैस सिलेंडर आ रहा है, कभी कुछ आ रहा है. So that was one of the most I think अभी तो when I look back, Gursimran ji, it is all very funny and it's all very humorous, right? I can laugh about it, but us time pe those were like make or break kind of situations. So suddenly आप laptop पकड़ के kitchen में खड़े हो, तड़का मार रहे हो, कभी कुछ कर रहे हो, कभी कुछ कर रहे हो. So those situations have also happened. There have been situations where you know, my table used to be facing the wall, so like I'm doing right now, but पुट्ठा जैसिका. And my children used to ringo on the floor to go to the washroom and then to come back. पिछो मतलब because ऐसा कि बच्चे नजर नहीं आने चाहिए, तो पीछे वो रेंग के मेरी ना कुर्सियों पिछो जानते सी. So those situations also we've seen. It's been tough, but I wouldn't have had it any other way. बंदा बनाता मतलब these tough situations make a person out of you. So that I think was probably some of the, you know, most interesting disappointments I've had.
Right, truly said, madam. COVID was boom also for somebody, but it's had been a problematic for most of us. मैं भी जरा पीछे देख लेना भी. I think my background is fine and no kids are there. So let's go ahead, and you are a true example where we say that growth comes outside the comfort zone. So being a single parent, so what was your priorities, your business, managing the family? So how you spend this difficult time, or how you overcome these obstacles?
So, but see, when you're a single parent, you know, you have 2 children. God was very, very kind. My बच्चे बड़े साऊ हैं दोनों दे दोनों. So मेरे को ज़्यादा उन लोगों के साथ issues आई नहीं in terms of, you know, dealing with them. You know, as to मेरी मामा की बात सुननी है या कुछ करनी. That was very simple. I think the only challenging part was when I'm a very enterprising kind of a parent. I really want my children, because when I was younger, I was an extremely overweight kid. तो मैं दुनिया में कुछ नहीं किया, मतलब कोई स्पोर्ट नहीं खेला, कोई डांस क्लास नहीं करी, कुछ भी नहीं सीखा जिंदगी में, सिर्फ एक किताबों के बीच में अपनी मुंडी घुमाई, एंड दैट्स ऑल, बिकॉज आई वाज टू फैट. सो कोई खेलना नहीं चाहता था, कोई खेलना बुलाता नहीं था. अगर कोई एक आध गलती से बुला भी लेता तो अपनी टीम में नहीं कोई डालता था कि यार ये हिलेगी नहीं, मोटी भागेगी नहीं, क्या करेगी. सो कोई फायदा ही नहीं था उसका. सो द ओनली यू नो थिंग आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय चिल्ड्रन वाज दैट बड़े होके बेटा सब कुछ करना, बट माँ जैसे मत बनना. सो बच्चे हंसते हैं मेरे पे कि मम्मा माँ कह रही है कि माँ के जैसे बनना, ये करना. मैं कहना डोंट मेक द मिस्टेक्स I made. Anyways, so I think the most challenging part was when I had to run a lot to, you know, put drop them, pick them up. So मैंने बच्चों को बहुत सारी classes join कराई हुई थी, तो उसी के बीच में हमारी calls होती थी, उसी के बीच में. So I had just figured out that I don't know how to do it until a friend I met for coffee and she showed me this little 4G का छोटा सा जो instrument होता है जिसको आप लेके. So I realized that Wi-Fi के बगैर भी काम हो सकता है, and I just bought that instrument. उस टाइम पे मुझे याद है वो 2000 का आता था, मेरे पास 2000 भी पैसे नहीं थे, मम्मी से पैसे बोरो करके I bought that little instrument. And उसके बाद से life changed for me, because every time I would go to pick up my daughter, drop my son, do anything, so I used to carry that instrument, carry my laptop. तो स्कूल के मैंने हर कोने में, हर पार्क के कोने में, हर बेंच पे, हर पेड़ के नीचे, गाड़ी में, वो सिक्योरिटी वाले बहादुर भैया हैं उनके कमरे के अंदर, मतलब हर जगह बैठ के अपना लैपटॉप खोल के काम किया हुआ है. सो I think sometimes it is all about finding solutions to your problems and prioritizing कि आपने क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना. Talking about balance in terms of work-life balance, तो मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि ये concept ही गलत है. Work-life balance is not. I mean, there is work and there is life. So some days work will take priority. तो आप हफ्ता 10 दिन काम ही करते जाओगे. And sometimes, family will take priority. तो आप you will just keep focusing on the family. So अब घर में मम्मा बीमार है, कोई बच्चा बीमार है, so I'll not be thinking about work. I mean, I will probably, pass it on, delegate it to the team, or just request a client if nothing else can happen that, sir, sorry, ye issue hai, we'll have to come back to you later. I mean, that there is no other way out, and vice versa, that sometimes when you have work pressures, you will have to tell the family to wait. I mean, there are times जब मेरे, मतलब my children tell me कि मम्मा के ना 20,000 tabs इकट्ठे खुले होते हैं, जैसे लैपटॉप पे होते हैं, so I just have 20,000 things. So I have realized the way to deal with it is कि बच्चे कुछ बोलते हैं आके या मम्मा कुछ बोलते हैं तो मैं कहती हूँ मुझे रजिस्टर नहीं करा, अभी हम बाद में बात करेंगे. और there are times in the day when I just refuse to interact with anybody, refuse to even listen to anybody. वो 2 घंटे मेरा फोन भी बंद रहता है, सब कुछ बंद रहता है, and I'm just in my zone, just to recenter and refocus myself. So I am not the kind of person who's afraid to work hard. I am the kind of person who is saying कि यार प्रॉब्लम एक बार ही फिगर आउट होगी ना, पहले तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं समझ आती, होगी तो उसको बार बार कहने की बजाय just do something about it. So I am the person in the house who gets things done. कि मतलब हो गया, अच्छा ये इशू आ रहा है, कुछ भी है, तो मैं कहती हूँ उसका solution ढूंढूं and get it over it, because वो otherwise will just, I'm not the kind of person who keep repeating their problem. So I think that has really helped me in my business as well, and overall work-life issues, that if you just try and find solutions, a lot of people don't put their mind to things. वो बस वो घूमते तो चरखड़ी की तरह वो घूमते ही चले जाते हैं. So I think it's always important for people to take a step back, make your mind clear up some space for new thinking, and then move ahead with the day. So,
Right.
I mean, single parenting is tough. I think double parenting में माँ बाप बेचारे परेशान ही रहते हैं कि क्या करें, अभी एक बच्चा आ रहा है, एक जा रहा है, उसका ये हो गया, उसका फलाना टिमकाना. So yes, issues are there, but I think you just learn to kind of figure them out along the way. You have to find your own solutions. I think one thing I will always tell everybody, whether you are women, whether you are men, whether you are children, whether you are already running startups of your own, doing corporate jobs, whoever you are, please create your support system. Support system के बगैर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. There is nothing you can do, whether you're single, you're double, it doesn't matter. I remember a time for 2 years in between, I was completely bedridden with a back problem. But I tell you something, I had such a fantastic circle of friends and support system कि 2 साल तक मेरे बच्चों ने कोई भी बर्थडे पार्टी या कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा क्लास मिस नहीं करी. मतलब they were friends who were coming, taking बच्चा, dropping, exam देने जा रहे हैं. I could not move. I stay in a first floor flat. यहाँ पे lift नहीं है. So डॉक्टर ने कहा था सीढ़ियाँ ना उतर सकते हो ना चढ़ सकते हो. So almost for 2 years, I probably would have gone out of the house just to get a doctor's checkup done. But none of my children missed a single birthday party. मतलब now कुछ भी miss नहीं किया उन्होंने. So you can imagine that for those 2 years, had my children been totally dependent on me, उनकी तो लाइफ बेचारों की वैसे ही खत्म हो जानी थी. The basic thing they could do is go to the school and come back. But having a support system really makes a lot of difference.
Rightly said, madam, that it's either work, and if you have some problem at home, you should focus on that problem. So in our organization also we have more than 80% ladies. So a quite motivable respect you told us. And like you said that problems are there. And one thing I want to know that they say if you are in a business, you are in sales. So how you manage your sales?
I do all the sales. I love it because I'm a people's person. मुझे लोगों के सामने बिठा दो मैं बड़ी खुश हूँ. मेरे को आप नीचे भेज दोगे मैं रिक्शे वाले भैया, सब्जी वाले भैया, किसी के साथ भी बैठ के गप्पे मार सकती हूँ. So luckily for me, I prefer to do this part of my business, this part of sales, this part of marketing, vis-a-vis actually sitting down and writing content. अगर आप मेरे से पूछा, I'm in the right business, I'm doing the right things there. So this has been a very frankly cakewalk for me. मतलब ये तो मुझे जब मर्जी करा लो. I mean, I'm very happy to do it. I'm very happy to meet new people. That's my mojo, in fact. कि मुझे खुशी वहीं से मिलती है when I'm meeting new people, understanding new perspectives, getting to know all kinds of people. वहाँ से मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. So essentially for me, I connect to people. It's an easier thing for me to do compared to other people. So once you network, and I think one of the things that people don't understand or realize is that networking जब आप इसे कहते हैं ना, a lot of people are always interested in going and meeting that one person जिससे उनको काम निकल सकता है, कि जो उनको काम दे सकता है, या somebody who's in a position of power or something. I always believe that networking should be non-transactional. It doesn't matter आप किसके साथ कर रहे हो, कौन है वो बंदा आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता है, वो नहीं कर सकता, whatever it is. I mean, I believe that if you keep it non-transactional, things usually fall into place at some stage. So I don't always go and meet people or approach people ये सोच के कि अच्छा इनसे मुझे ये काम मिल सकता है, इनके थ्रू मैं यहाँ पहुंच सकती हूँ कुछ. That I don't do. I'm not a social climber, but at the same time I'm a people's person. तो मुझे लोगों के साथ मजा आता है. अब मेरे को I go to Max Hospital, my mother, my other family members, my mama, कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ लेके बैठा ही होता है. तो वहां पे मैं पार्किंग लॉट में जाके वो पार्किंग वाले के साथ भी बैठ के आराम से आधा घंटा चाय पी के आ जाती हूँ. वो भी बेचारा इज अ वेरी नाइस स्वीट पर्सन. दीदी आ जाओ ये कर दो. सो आई थिंक a lot of these young children could probably take some cue there and build relationships with people which are non-transactional. This is, I think, what I would like to say to everyone here.
But I have seen the young guys in the colleges, universities where I am going to deliver the lectures. So majorly the candidates are not interested in doing the sales. So what is your...
See, once you're in, especially if you're, okay, let me try and explain like this.
उनको मतलब ये लगता है कि sales मतलब बड़ा बुरा काम है, या ऐसा ही सोचते हैं बच्चे आजकल के नहीं sales नहीं करूंगा बाकी कुछ भी करवा लो मेरे से.
क्योंकि उनको लगता है ये भटकने का काम है. ये भटकने का काम नहीं है. ये I will tell you, see, sales is also a lot about your own personal brand, right? The way people perceive you and the way you go and connect with people speaks volumes about you as an individual. अब आप सॉरी मैं पंजाबी में थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करूंगी. वो सड़ी बुत्ती ले जाके आप क्लाइंट से बिजनेस नहीं मांग सकते या अपना पिच नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू हैव अ सर्टेन personality trait, even if you have to fake it. I'm okay with people faking it. I don't expect people to go and be smiling every day, be positive. ये सब frankly bullshit है ये सारा. Nobody can be positive all the time. Even only the people with the blood group can be positive, and only in the blood group only. Otherwise, humanly, it's not possible to do it. So I think children need to start thinking of this as a professional trait that they need to succeed. It is not something कि आपको जाके किसी क्लाइंट को खुश करना है या किसी से बिजनेस मांगना है. ये भी एक तरीका है. आज आप एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, चाहे आप कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में हो, जहां मर्जी भी हो, आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड हैज टू कम टू द फोर वेयर यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज. आजकल सर हम बात नहीं करते इन चीजों की कि आपके पास IQ होनी चाहिए, बट आपके पास EQ एंड SQ भी होना चाहिए, which is your emotional quotient, social quotient. So how nicely you talk to others, how quickly you connect with them is all a part of your EQ and SQ. और इसके बगैर, I'm not saying that people are not successful, but frankly बताऊं, it's like that oil in your machinery. वो फटाफट तेजी से चलती है बिना रुकावट के. So as a rule, I would say कि everybody यार acting थोड़ी बहुत तो हम कर ही लेते, इतनी बॉलीवुड की हीरोइंस और हीरो को देखते हैं, इतना तो हम कर ही सकते हैं that even if you're having a bad shitty day, you can still manage a sale. It is difficult, but it is a trait that all of us need to have. There are times, and I'm telling you like it is, unashamedly, there are times मेरी बैंड बजी होती है. I think 4 or 5 years back, when I was actually dealing with a couple of court cases for my divorce, they were extremely emotionally draining. There was anger, there was resentment, there was hurt, there was pain. सब कुछ चलता था multiple times. And I remember that, you know, I stay in sector 44, 43 now, the lower courts are there. वहां से यहाँ का रास्ता 5 मिनट का है by car. So I used to stop my car somewhere midway. जो रोना पिटना जो करना होता था, I used to finish it there, come home and tell my mom, I don't want any discussions about what happened in the court today. ये हुआ था, मोटी मोटी गाल ये है, फिर आधा फोन आएगा उन्नू दास से ना, आधा फोन आएगा उन्नू दास से ना, and I don't want to discuss it again. और मैं अपने मुंह हाथ धो के पाउडर लगा के, and I would sit in front of my laptop and say, okay, fine, let's do it, as if nothing has happened, as if that chapter or that thing was happening to someone else. So I think if I can do it, a lot of you can do it. I just hope that none of you are dealing with, you know, issues of these kinds where, because Nanak Dukhiya Sab Sansar, I'm sure सबका कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा होगा, but because you're younger, I'm assuming that you would have lesser issues to deal with, and those of you who are dealing, please reach out for help. I think one of the other things that has really worked for me is to be able to, you know, show yourself as a vulnerable person to other people. So if you go and you look for help, I mean, don't try to be a hero. Don't try to be that superhero. Don't read all that bullshit they put out on social media saying, be positive, you can do this. You mean, bloody hell, you can't do everything yourself. You cannot manage yourself all by yourself. You need help. You need people to talk to. If you are going through a really bad patch, you probably need professional counseling. I've had situations where मैंने तो फोन करके फलाने को भी मतलब 3-3 घंटे पकाया है, किसी को 4 घंटे पकाया है, किसी को रोज 4 घंटे पकाया है कि मेरी प्लीज रोने वाली सुन लो, मेरा क्या क्या मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, whether it is X, whether it is Y, whether it is something to do with work or whatever. You have to talk. You have to get it out of your system. If you have those 3 or 4 people who are not going to be judgmental about you, I think your life is pretty much sorted. मैंने तो ऐसे 3-4 अपने बशिंदे ढूंढे हुए हैं जिनको पता है कि रात को 2 बजे भी मेरा फोन आएगा तो भैं करके रितिका ने रोना है, उसको फलानी प्रॉब्लम होगा. I'm telling you this. I'm not some superhero god sitting here to say कि बॉस मैंने तो सब कुछ जिंदगी में सॉर्ट कर लिया. अभी भी there are down days, but you need to disconnect, talk, figure it out, and then move on. I think that is the only thing I'd like to tell you young children here.
ट्रूली इंस्पिरेशनल मैडम. अब एक इंस्पिरेशन और दे दीजिए, जो आपने बताया कि आपका मोटापा था और आप पतले कैसे हुए.
सर अभी भी नहीं हुई हूँ, अभी भी स्ट्रगल जारी है, बट I would just say to you know younger children there that 2 things. Okay, the first is don't allow anybody to bully you or body shame you. First thing. Second, equally important, which we all forget, is make sure you are not that bully. I remember, मुझे अभी तक याद है, मैं वो अंकल भी मुझे कहीं आज दिख जाए, मैं शायद उनको 2-4 मतलब गुस्से में आके अभी भी लगा दूं. आई रिमेम्बर हम लोग एक पार्टी में बैठे हुए थे जहां पे तंबोला चल रहा था, दिल्ली की बात है. I was probably 10 years old. So I'm sitting here, my brother is sitting here, younger brother, my mom, my dad, and एक रैंडम से स्ट्रेंजर अंकल थे, वो भी हमारे साथ बैठ के तंबोला खेल रहे थे. तो आई रिमेम्बर टेलिंग माय डैड कि मुझे तो और चिप्स खाने हैं. तो वो बेचारे उठ के गए बीच में तंबोला के, तो मेरे लिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी ले आए और चिप्स भी ले आए. और वो अंकल वहां से मुड़ के ना मेरी तरफ ऐसे देखते हैं और मेरे डैड को बोलते हैं, आप तो इतने गुड लुकिंग हो, फिट हो. ही वाज अ फाइटर पायलट, सो ही हैड टू बी फिट, राइट? My mom was very nice and slim and trim, very well maintained, and so was my brother. But I was like this huge something. I don't even want to call myself a human being. I used to waddle like a duck. And they said कि आप इसको कहाँ से उठा लाए कचरे के डब्बे से, ये आपके घर की मेंबर है. मतलब I was like, look, I'm a 10-year-old kid. Why are you doing this to me? आज की डेट में भी मुझे अंकल की शक्ल याद है. और उसके बाद उन्होंने वहां पे खत्म नहीं करी बात. मतलब मैं चिप्स भी मेरे से ले लिए उन्होंने कि नहीं बेटा तुम्हें तो चिप्स नहीं खाने चाहिए, अपने भाई को दे दो. I'm like, excuse me. फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने वहां पे भी बंद नहीं किया, तंबोला चल रहा है और मुझे वो बैठ के एक्सरसाइजेस बता रहे हैं कि बेटा ये कर लेने से तुम पतले हो जाओगे. So, you know,
मैडम
don't allow.
Here I want to interrupt. पहले आप चेक कर लीजिए पार्टिसिपेंट्स में वो अंकल जी तो नहीं है.
अगर मिल गए ना सर, सच्ची बता रही हूँ, कहीं पे भगवान उनको लंबी उम्र दे, बट एक बारी कुछ तो बोलूंगी उनको कि सर बड़ी जिंदगी आपने मेरी खराब करी. बट so many people, you know, they don't understand the weight of their words. People are very careless with the kind of language they use for other people. So I would request you all that if you are facing some kind of bullying or body shaming, put a stop to that. Tell people that how you feel. हम तो बड़े ढक्कन थे यार, हमें पता ही नहीं होता था कि हमने मना करना है अंकल को, अंकल none of your business, leave me alone. Respectfully, हमें लड़ाई थोड़ा करनी थी उनके साथ. I was a 10-year-old kid. और maybe I would have expected my parent to take up, but उस टाइम पे parenting भी इतनी messed up थी कि उनको भी नहीं पता था कि ये सही है क्या कर दूं, मतलब बच्चे हैं क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But one thing is this, but the other is also this, like I have 2 children, right, 18 and 14. ये लोग भी अगर किसी बच्चे को ऐसे बोलते हैं तो मैं तो रो पड़ती हूँ घर के अंदर, क्योंकि बोलते हैं मम्मी वो देखो उसको फलाना बोलते हैं, उसको ढिमकाना बोलते हैं, किसी की हाइट 7 फुट है कुछ है कहते तो उसको हम टावर बुलाते हैं, किसी को हम आईफेल बुलाते हैं. सो आई कीप टेलिंग देम, ऐसे बेटा मेरा देखो कितना बुरा हाल किया था. सो डोंट बी दोज पीपल हु बुली अदर पीपल फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ you know physical ability, so to say. मैं तो actually it messed up my thinking so much that there was a time I used to go out of the house बालों में तेल लगा के, चश्मा लगा के, फटे पुराने कॉटन के कपड़े पहन के जाती थी, इवन एज ए यंग गर्ल जिसकी शादी नहीं हुई है उस टाइम पे. आप सोचिए कि मुझे ये पॉइंट प्रूव करना था लोगों को कि भैया मेरे को अकल से मेरे से बात करो, मेरी शक्ल पे मत जाओ. So that was like a rebellious thing, you know. उसकी जरूरत नहीं थी, मतलब I didn't need to do that. I just needed to be myself. But I was constantly trying to prove a point to somebody कि देखो, you know, मेरी weight पे मत जाओ, मेरी body पे मत जाओ, मेरी ये नहीं करो, मुझे वो मत करो. There are, you know, somebody has just mentioned, Ikra just mentioned that she was also, you know, overweight at some point of time. And, you know, if you deal with it, it's good. There are people who have issues, and don't let anybody body shame you. Don't let anybody, because, you know, frankly, Ikra, you should know this. I was probably 90 kgs at some point of time. Okay. Then I went to being 58 like you were. I'm not 58 right now. And I remember जब मैं जिम में खड़े होके, बॉम्बे की बात है, जब मैं ऐसे ऐसे एक्सरसाइज करती थी. So I remember my one of the random people would walk into the gym and he said, "My God, ma'am, आप इतने पतले हो गए हो, you're so thin, you are waif like." तो जब वो ऐसे बोलते थे ना, तो I used to look over my shoulder, मुझे लगता था ये पता नहीं किससे बात कर रहे हैं, मैं तो पतली हो ही नहीं सकती. मतलब even at 58 kgs, I was so mindfucked is the word I want to use, कि मुझे वो भी लगता था कि मैं अभी भी overweight हूँ. So I would just tell children that don't carry these weights. कोई आपको weight के लिए नहीं बोलेगा. They will tell you for, आप चश्मा डालते हो, they will tell you your hair is thin. They will tell you your legs are small. They will tell you your hands are big. They will tell you तुम्हारा रंग सांवला है. They could tell you anything, but you just need to tell them to back off and have 4 or 5 people in your life जिनके ऊपर आप rely करते हो कि they are the ones who will give you constructive criticism. Sorry. And half the time the people don't even know the kind of damage they are doing. So awareness be create karo and make sure you are not those people. That's all that I'd like to say.
Right, ma'am. Anything you want?
So Ritika ji and Gursimran ji.
Yeah, I know, sir.
I'm sorry, मैं बीच में.
Yeah, the last question.
No problem.
नहीं, मुझे तो और भी बातें करनी है, मुझे नहीं जाना अभी. अब क्या करोगे, स्पीकर अगर ये बोलना शुरू करते तो.
हमारा मन नहीं कर रहा रुकने का. But I hope all of you understand we have to keep in mind the time constraint.
नहीं, sir, just pulling your leg.
Wonderful. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुनकर.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, please go ahead.
What message you want to give up to the startups, madam? Just a 1 or 2 sentence.
I think 1 or 2 sentences, I would just say, please, all of you who are planning to be entrepreneurs or wanting to start up, baseline, don't screw with your integrity. Don't look for shortcuts in life. Don't look for shortcuts in your business. Get it right day one. Because ye in the longer run will become your brand culture. This will become you. This will become your company's culture. बड़े हो गए, जो भी होगा, जैसे भी होगा, at least ecosystem में कोई ये नहीं बोलेगा. Because I just want to give a छोटा सा example. My mentor, when he lost about 40-50 lakhs in an investment when he started up, tried to give as much as he could back to the people that he owed money to. After 4 years, and I remember ये 2 साल पुरानी बात है, he called me and is almost in tears. And I said, क्या हुआ? तो he says, you know what, Ritika, you remember those people that I, owed 20-30 lakhs to? मैं कहा, हाँ जी. He says, उन्होंने ना मुझे अपने नए venture में board member बना दिया, and they want to pay me, a good real royal amount of money every month. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि नहीं सर, मैं तो फ्री में काम करूंगा, बिकॉज मैंने आपके पैसे वापस करने हैं. सो आप सोचिए, उसी में एडजस्ट हो गया. आप 2 साल 3 साल 10 साल जितना मर्जी फ्री में काम करा लेना. But his integrity and his branding and the kind of respect people had for him, despite him losing his money, and 50 lakhs is not a joke. Okay, they still got him on board. They still gave him a board seat, and they still pay him about X amount of money every month. And they don't take them. He says, sir, भूल जाओ उस चीज को, कोई बात नहीं, वो पुरानी बात थी, let it go. ये दुनिया में आजकल नहीं होता है. That is the kind of branding I want all of you to aspire it.
Right, integrity is the foremost. And last thing, ma'am, how do you start your day and how you end up? What time you wake up and how आप ਤੁਹਾਡੀ दिनचर्या कितना दी है?
मैं दादू सर सच बताना कि झूठ झूठ बोल के अच्छी अच्छी इमेज बनानी है.
नहीं मैडम, इंटेग्रिटी आपने बताया तो सच बताना ही पड़ेगा ना.
सच बताना पड़ेगा ना. हाँ ठीक है, मैं सच बता देती हूँ. So I usually wake up between 4:30 and 5 in the morning. उठ के I just like to take my day आराम से. I get up, I make my चाय. उस टाइम पे घर पे कोई नहीं उठा होता, मम्मी कई बार ही उठे होते हैं. मैं अपनी आराम से जाके चाय बनाती हूँ. I'm just very relaxed. I don't want हल्ला गुल्ला पैनिक, और मेरे को आराम से अपनी चाय पीनी होती है. I do that. I go on WhatsApp. I watch videos. I do anything that I want to. कभी कभी पाठ भी सुन लेनी है तो वाहिगुरु जी थोड़ी सी मेहर करते हैं. So I listen to पाठ also at that point of time. And then I like to shower, take everything, get everything done, and फिर मैं बच्चों को फटाफट उठा देती हूँ, because I have this crazy OCD thing जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि मेरा बेड बनाना चाहिए. सो बच्चों को सवेरे पट मारती हूँ मैं. इन पंजाबी जो बोलते हैं कि मैं 9 बजे, किसी की छुट्टी है, किसी ने कोई रात 3 बजे सोता है कि कितना, आई डोंट केयर, आई जस्ट हैव टू वेक देम अप एंड मेक द बेड. मुझे लगता है कि आई रेड दिस स्टेटमेंट समवेयर लॉन्ग टाइम बैक. इट सेड the state of your bed is the state of your head. So मेरे साथ तो वो 100% होता है कि कहीं पे वो बेड कवर में क्रीज भी है तो मुझे लगता है I'm going to be upset the entire day. So sorry, I'm sharing, this is very personal, but I'm telling you that is one part. उस तो बाद then I start, घर में काम, इधर उधर cleaning up, whatever, and then I sit down to work around 9:30. बच्चे भी अपनी calls खोलते, I mean online classes and everything, or they used to go to school. The entire day I'm working more or less, and by 9:30 more or less मेरी बैंड बज जाती है. So by the time I'm half brain dead, मुझे दुनिया का कुछ रजिस्टर नहीं होता. कोई क्लाइंट कॉल अगर यूएस वाली होती है तो I just barely manage to keep my eyes and ears open and try to focus. And by 9:30 time I'm off to sleep. Aajkal, because of the corona and everything, there is hardly anything to do, so I take a nap in the afternoon. And unfortunately, because of nap in the afternoon, I have started Netflixing and binge watching. Kadi 2 bhi baj jante, 3 bhi baj jante. So not something I'm proud of. I want to change it. I will, but the shows are, some of them are amazing. So that is essentially, and I go for a walk in the evening for 2-3 hours. That's my me time. That time also, I usually prefer to call, a lot of friends. Koi bimar hai, kuch hai, I like to check on my friends. Kide naal bahut hi der naal kal nahi hui, I call them up. कई बार क्लाइंट कॉल्स भी बीच में हो जाती हैं. कितने वेबिनार्स भी मैंने मास्क लगा के ऐसे ही वॉक करते मैं निकाल दिए. So those 2-3 hours are probably the most enjoyable time of my day. So that and my early morning. So those are my ways that I de-stress also. Plus Netflix तो है ही है. So that's all. That's my day.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਖਰੇ ਉਤਰੇ on the topic. Entrepreneurship is all about having a sustained agenda. Thank you for giving the time, madam. Over to Sumit and Hitesh.
Thank you so much. Actually, thank you is a small word, Ritika ma'am. And yes, I was listening to you on, and I was realizing that this is not the first time I'm listening to you. We have met over like 4 or 5 times, online, offline, and hamesha hi there we have end a meeting promising each other that we'll meet over coffee again. So that coffee hasn't happened anyways. But yes, but truly I was feeling that I'm watching a 70 mm Bollywood flick, and jida the word is zindagi badi honi chahiye. The problems are smaller when you take huge steps toward them, and you have endorsed yourself such a nice way that you are a problem solver. Many of the people are not. I have seen a lot of people just cribbing and nagging everything and anything in life. And to be a problem solver, it takes a big, not only a big mind and heart, but the clarity about life, that what you are here up to. And same is entrepreneurship. So I feel your journey, and as quoted by you, it's a very inspiring journey and just empowering now to other women also. You have a team of 15 women working from home, and I know the pains and cracks of content writing, what it takes, what toil it takes. And bahut wari we have discussed that we sometimes sail in the same boat when it comes to content writing. But yes, taking small steps, solving all the problems, taking all challenges as a single mother. Actually, single mother is just overrated word. Every mother should be like you, single or double, doesn't matter. I'll just take that quote. And yes, last but not the least, I also am full, my vote goes to your people's personality. I know how easy you are with people, and actually I learn a lot from you whenever I meet you, and how easily you get into people's synergies and then make good friends, talk to them, and you're so good with communication. That is what is required. We all are salesmen, or even selling our idea, even putting our thoughts in front of others, it's sales. So because we put that concept in somebody's mind. So sales is a beautiful word. And yes, if you're in business, you're in sales. Thank you so much, ma'am. And yes, Gursimran sir, you should not be left behind. Actually, तुसी बहुत अच्छी तरह moderate किया, and you actually kept her going, and you were the one who were making things easy for her. So thank you so much, both of you, and it was a wonderful session. You can check on the chat box. Just students have just putting a lot of statements and compliments, and Hitesh sir is raising hand because I'm not allowing to, give her a chance. But thank you so much from my side. Over to you, Hitesh.
On behalf of TiE Chandigarh, I want to thank Gursimran ji, Ritika ji, and Sumit for this particular program, for giving their consent in such a short time. Special thanks to all three of you. And before we end up this particular program, there is a request to be here for the next 2 minutes. Please switch on your videos. Let Gursimran ji, Ritika ji, and Sumit see the faces of people who have joined us for this program. Till the time we are on for 2 minutes for the videos and photography session, you can again visit the TiECon Chandigarh link for registration. Don't miss that opportunity. So let's put on our videos for next 2 minutes. और मैं 2 minute का मौन तो नहीं कहूँगा, but for 2 minutes we'll see each other's faces, smiling faces. And Sanjay, I request you to take the group photographs, please.
Right, sir.
No, स्माइल करके ऐसे बैठना पड़ेगा. चीज बोलना है, क्या बोलना है सर? कुछ एक्टिविटी दो ना, ऐसे कैसे बैठेंगे संजय जी?
Just ma'am, think of the beautiful, you can say, the memory.
अच्छा, ये भी हमें करनी पड़ेगी, अपनी मेमोरी खुद निकालनी पड़ेगी.
रितिका जी, मैं तो ये सोच रहा हूँ कि आई एम हैविंग अ कप ऑफ टी वो पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के ना, जैसे आप बता रहे थे वो क्या कहते हैं, पार्किंग और उनके साथ. आई ऑल्सो लव दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. और मैं कई बार परांठे और चाय इस तरह से खाता हूँ वहाँ पे.
बेस्ट है. हितेश जी, एक बार इकट्ठे मिलके करेंगे, बड़ा मजा आएगा.
मैनू भी बुला लियो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हाँ, तुसी सर, तुसी मॉडरेट करना है सर.
Done, sir.
Done. So thank you so much, and we'll come back to you with more interesting sessions, provided Gursimran ji allow us to do sessions with them.
Sure, sir. Sure, always.
Thank you so much, once.
Thank you so much, everyone, for having me.
Thank you, respected ma'am and sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.